If you are looking at your driveway, siding, roof, patio, or pool deck and wondering whether pressure washing is really worth the cost, the answer depends on one thing. Are you paying for cleaning or are you preventing future damage? In Sarasota's humid climate, mold, mildew, algae, and grime do not just make a property look dirty. Over time, they can wear down paint, stain surfaces, and create costly repair needs. Yes, pressure washing can make a home look cleaner, but the real value is what it helps prevent. Organic buildup like dirt, mold, mildew, and algae can slowly damage exterior materials, especially in a warm, humid area like Sarasota. Pressure washing removes grime that can erode curb appeal and property value over time. Homeowners often think of pressure washing as a cosmetic luxury, but it is also a preventive maintenance step. Think of it this way: routine cleaning is an investment to avoid bigger bills later. A routine professional clean for an average 2,000 square foot home often runs in the few £100 range. By contrast, repainting an exterior or replacing rotten siding can cost thousands. Repairing or restoring roof stains, damaged pavers, or eroded mortar can also run into significant sums. That cost comparison is where the investment in regular cleaning starts to make sense. Sarasota and Manatee County face humidity, frequent rain, heat, shade, and salt air that speed up organic growth. Shaded sides of the home, pool decks, paver driveways, roofs, and screen enclosures are especially prone to algae and mildew. Homes near trees, irrigation overspray, or salt air also see faster return of organic buildup. The longer organic growth sits, the harder it is to remove and the higher the risk to the material underneath. But not every surface should be treated the same, and the cleaning method matters more than the lowest price. High pressure is fine for concrete driveways and some paver surfaces and patios. Soft washing is usually better for roofs, stucco, painted surfaces, siding, and screens. Soft wash kills algae and mildew at the root using cleaning agents and low pressure instead of abrasive blasting. The cheapest quote is not always the best value if the wrong method risks damaging your home. A roof should not be blasted with high pressure, and painted or delicate surfaces need lower pressure and care. DIY can seem cheaper, but mistakes can erase the savings and create new repair bills. Common DIY problems include wrong nozzle, too much pressure, spraying too close, and stripping paint. Other risks are forcing water behind surfaces, denting gutters, loosening fasteners, damaging landscaping, and causing soil erosion. DIY might make sense for hard ground level surfaces if you know the correct pressure and technique. For roofs, screens, painted surfaces, and delicate materials, hiring a professional is usually safer and more cost effective in the long run. A reputable exterior cleaner will assess surfaces, recommend the right method, and use chemicals that are safe for plants and pets. Ask for examples, references, and whether they use soft wash for roofs and painted surfaces before you book. Timing can make a big difference. Cleaning before buildup becomes severe is easier and cheaper than restoring heavily stained surfaces. For many Sarasota area homeowners, a regular cleaning schedule keeps paint and materials in better condition and preserves curb appeal. Consider local factors like shade, nearby trees, irrigation spray, and salt air when planning how often to clean. If you are unsure, a professional assessment is a low-cost way to learn what should be cleaned, how often, and the likely cost. In many cases, the small cost of professional pressure washing prevents much larger expenses later on. If you want to protect paint, siding, roofs, driveways, and pavers in Sarasota or Manatee County, pressure washing done right is often worth the investment. If you would like a free assessment or a quote tailored to your property, contact a local exterior cleaning specialist to discuss methods, timing, and cost. When cleaning is done correctly, it is not just about looking better, it is about preventing damage and protecting your investment. If you have questions about what method is right for your roof, siding, driveway, or pavers in Sarasota area, I am happy to help you figure it out.